Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about passing arguments to constructors, part of programming in C++ course. When creating an object of a class, you can pass arguments to the constructor to initialize the object's data members. The arguments that you pass to the constructor must match the parameters of one of the class's constructors. Here is an example of passing arguments to a constructor in dog class. In this example, the dog object, my dog, is being created and initialized with the values Rufus, Labrador, and 3. These values are being passed as arguments to the constructor, which will initialize the object's data members, name, breed, and age with these values. It is important to ensure that the number and types of the arguments that you pass to the constructor match the parameters of one of the class's constructors. If the constructor parameters do not match the arguments, the compiler will generate an error. If multiple constructors are available with different parameter lists, the compiler will choose the constructor that best matches the arguments based on the type and number of the arguments. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.